My story, Rodrigo Valencia. First paragraph. My story is about a situation at work in 2014. Our boss asked my coworkers and me who wanted to work on some improvements to distribute our work equally. At that moment, it was very difficult to do it because it was manual. 5 of us volunteered to create an application to distribute the workload equally in an automatic way for a 30-person team. This project lasted 8 months. This is my boss, my coworkers, and the application. Second paragraph. This time turned out to be more than 2 years because we received many other tasks, which were not related to our interest. We did not agree with these tasks which interfered with our productivity for the app. For this reason, we talked to our boss because we wanted to return to our previous roles at the company. However, he told us that was not possible and that we had to stay, which created tension and frustration among the team. This situation created stress and health problems for me and my team. This is my angry boss and stress. Third paragraph. Finally, I was tired of the situation after I had worked on this project for so long. I talked to my boss again and I told him my current functions had not been contemplated in the description of my functions. He decided to return me to my previous role. If I had known I was not going to do the functions I expected, I would not have joined this project. If anything, I would have stayed only for the first 8 months, which were very productive and related to the tasks I imagined. The talk with my boss and wondering. Thank you.